Is there anything better than a backyard barbecue? The smell of the grill, the fresh air, and good company. But there is one thing that can ruin the mood instantly: running out of propane halfway through cooking the steaks. We have all been there. You have to disconnect the tank, lug it to the store, exchange it for a refill, and hope it doesn't leak in your trunk on the way home. It is a hassle, it is heavy, and frankly, it is outdated. The solution is already in your home. By extending your home's existing natural gas supply to your patio or deck, you gain a fuel source that never runs out. No more tanks, no more refills, just endless grilling whenever you want. Natural gas is significantly cheaper than propane pound for pound. While there is an upfront cost to install the line, the fuel itself costs a fraction of what you pay for those tank exchanges, paying for itself over time. This is not a garden hose project. Running a gas line involves tapping into your home's main system. It requires precise sizing calculations based on the distance and the BTU rating of your grill to ensure the flame doesn't weak out. Outdoor lines require specific materials. We often use durable polyethylene piping for underground runs or CSST flexible tubing that resists corrosion and shifting soil, ensuring the line stays safe from the elements for decades. If your grill is away from the house, we have to dig. Code typically requires gas lines to be buried at a specific depth, usually 12 to 18 inches, with a tracer wire so future landscapers can find the pipe without hitting it. We finish the job with a safety shutoff valve and a quick connect box. This works just like an air compressor hose. You can easily snap your grill hose in and out, allowing you to move or store the grill safely during winter. While we are trenching, think about the future. That same gas line can power more than just a grill. We can size the pipe to handle a future fire pit, a patio heater, or even an outdoor pizza oven, creating a true outdoor kitchen. One final note: you can't just plug a propane grill into natural gas. The jets are different. You will either need a conversion kit from the manufacturer or a new natural gas-ready grill to ensure the flame burns clean and safe. Stop hauling heavy tanks and start enjoying unlimited fuel. For professional gas line installation that transforms your backyard experience, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.